Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1985 Mercedes Benz 500 SL. Beautiful Nautical Blue, beige interior. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 500 SL. We'll do a little cold start for you. Fuel injected, so you can just turn the key on. Don't have to touch the gas, just crank it. Fires right up. Great oil pressure, nice dash layout, very informative cluster. We got a oil pressure, fuel, water temperature, and an economy, speedometer, tachometer, and a clock. So we'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so we got a little temperature in our 500 SL. She really does drive very well. Beautiful wood dash. The Mercedes are always known for their elegance. Very well outfitted, drives very well. Recent real major service. $24,000 was spent in servicing, cleaning up, just bringing this car to the next level of where it's at now. And driving, you could tell. You can totally tell. Condition, you can tell. That record is posted up, you could see it, and happy to share it with anybody as well. Even beforehand, it was a nice car. Like I said, he just brought it up to the next level. Aftermarket radio as well, a little Bluetooth. Beautiful blue soft top. Has a colored matching hard top, the Nautical Blue hard top. No creaks or rattles. 500 SLs were never brought to the States, so all the 500 SLs of this era are all gray market cars. This car also has a Carb sticker on it. For those of you in the other 49 states, you're not too worried about it, but that just means it is California accepted. So this car can pretty much go anywhere. So we'll come up here. We're going to put her through her paces a little bit in the S's. All right, so here we are in the S's. Very responsive. And it's really not per se a sports car. It's definitely a grand touring car, but the pickup from that V8, the automatic transmission, really pulls well. Solid, not a creak or a rattle. You don't find them in this condition too often. This is definitely a good one. Driven many of these in my life. And you can always tell when you're driving a good one. Everything from the steering, the brakes, suspension, full AC system was redone, so AC blows nice and cold. This aftermarket radio here. Power antenna. Little 90s jam for our 80s Mercedes. And we'll come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Really does drive well, feels good. I mean, this is a well set up car, well taken care of car. Again, great color combination, Nautical Blue over the beige interior. Everything works. Really nice example. Pulls very well. engine, gearbox, brakes. Right now we have the soft top on. Again, it comes with the factory hard top. Really, you can use this car all year long if you chose to with the hard top on. Very well insulated. Today it's very cold out, but you feel it. You don't feel it inside at all. So we'll come up here to the farm road and we'll put her through her paces a little bit. All right, so up on the farm road here. Pulls really well. That 5-liter V8 again. Great little sound. Shifting is effortless. You can manually shift these if you wanted to as well. There's also the option you can shift it down at the first to take off. But my goodness, cruising at speed. You can imagine cruising the Autobahn, and this really just pulls so well. The evolution of these cars from way back when, the Pagodas or even the 190 SLs before, to come up to these in the 80s. Really, really nice car, and this one is a very good example. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and comment below if you'd like to, and we'll catch you on the next one.